how to find the pop-up notification settings on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find pop-up notification settings on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and then scroll down until you find the settings, and here you will find notifications. Click on it and scroll down again. Here you will find pop-up notification, and then here you can manage it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.